Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Have you guys ever tried making juicy chicken 101? First you gotta heat up your skillet, because that's what gets the most heat, with a little bit of olive oil. These are the ingredients you need. You need some lemon pepper, some garlic salt, garlic powder, and paprika. Next we're gonna sprinkle all over the chicken. Make sure you put a lot. Don't put a little because you won't get no taste. Okay, after we're done sprinkling everything on, I'm gonna flip it over and do the other side. Like I said, put a lot, not a little bit. Okay, now that we're done, we're gonna rub it all in. Rub, rub, rub. Rub, rub, rub. Rub, rub, rub. We're gonna flip it over. Do it to the other side. Rub, rub, rub. Rub, rub, rub. And rub, rub, rub. Yeah. Okay, now that our skillet is nice and hot, as you see, sizzling, gonna cook all of the chicken for 5 minutes on both sides. Put it right in there. Flip it over. And add another 5 minutes. Okay, now that our chicken is all cooked, we're gonna set our oven for 400 degrees. Gonna put them babies up in that oven there. Sorry, I'm using one hand here. It's kind of hot. Put it on a medium rack. Set your timer for 13 minutes. And we'll be back. Alright, now that we had our 13 minutes up, gonna slice it up. You could put it on anything, a salad, some rice, whatever. Alright, bon appetit guys. Like and subscribe.